Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Josie here. So in today's video, I'm going to do a second test for the boya external audio microphone. I need to correct myself. My brother Rodel just PM me and told me like, Ate, you've been telling the people that you're using the external audio microphone of your Samsung S9, where in fact you are referring to the internal audio microphone of your smartphone. So right now I am testing only using the Samsung S9, and apart from that, my brother also advises me to use an app for the boya external audio microphone, which is App Camera. It is called as App Camera. So I'm filming using this app right now. It is crazy windy outside still. So I think this is the best day for us to test this microphone itself. I will attach the external audio microphone of the boya now, still without the windshield attached on it. Okay, now I'm talking to you guys using the external audio microphone of the boya BYMM1 without any windshield attached on it. I am still inside the apartment, but I'm not sure if you could hear the background from outside since everything is like shaking. It feels like everything is shaking. The wind is blowing so crazy. Now I have the windshield on my hand, and hopefully you'll see the difference of the sound. I'm going to attach the windshield onto the microphone now. Okay, so this is it. I already have the windshield attached to the microphone, and I'm not sure if you could hear the difference. We'll see. I will see it later, and I am very hopeful that I will be satisfied with the result, because I mainly, like my husband, bought it because I wish to have it, and I wish that I could give you a better audio quality in making videos. So I still have the windshield attached to the microphone. We are going outside now. It is still very windy. So what I'm going to do is I will have it on, remove the windshield, and just use the internal audio internal microphone of my smartphone. I keep repeating myself. Okay, so let's go outside now. So right now I am using the microphone, boya microphone, with the windshield attached on it, and I am really shaking so hard because the wind is just so strong. Now I will remove the windshield of the boya microphone now, and hopefully you could see the difference. So I remove the windshield of the microphone now, and it's up to you guys to judge what was the result, or what is the result, whether or not you're satisfied with it. Okay, so before I end this, I will remove the external audio microphone of the boya. So I will be filming using just the internal audio microphone of the smartphone. So I remove the external audio microphone now. Currently, I am only filming using the Samsung itself, and I am still inside the apartment. Hopefully you can hear a difference. Let's go inside now because I can't stand the wind anymore, and we'll see what would be the result. So that's it, you guys. I'm going to upload this video now, and I am very hopeful that I could see any difference at all, because that is why I bought this microphone. I mean, my husband bought it for me. because I wanted to offer a better sound quality in my video, especially that I am filming most of the time using my smartphone. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.